Hi guys, today we are making kaffir lime and butterfly pea flower homemade shampoo. The natural way to get rid of dandruff is to use kaffir lime as a shampoo. Since I want to get rid of my dandruff, I'm going to make one. Kaffir limes are popularly grown in the locals' backyards, so here we are picking some fresh ones.
Is that a bee? Put it in here. Here, put it in here.
We're also going to add butterfly pea flowers in our shampoo because it helps improve blood circulation to the scalp, which promotes strong, shiny and healthy hair and also reduces hair fall. So after washing the fruit, we put them in a pot and add water, and then we add the butterfly pea flowers, and then we wait until it boils. So now that it's boiling, we check to see if the skin is soft. Shampoo. And then we are going to remove the peel and separate the meat of the fruit. Squeeze it and use a strainer so the seed doesn't mix. The last part is to put them all in a blender. Add the water that we used to boil the lime with. As you can see, the color is purple because of the butterfly pea flowers that we boiled with it. after it is finely blended, we strain it with a loincloth and then put it in a container. The texture can be thick or watery, and the color can be light green or darker if you put a lot of butterfly pea flowers. So you can store this up to a week or a month if you place this in a refrigerator. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!